Just got done at Jiffy Lube. Holy cow. So they're really fast, by the way, and they do everything. Like, they checked all my fluids, tire pressure, they vacuumed my car, they washed windows. What's up, guys? What's going on? I am getting all this trash out of here. I'm gonna go to the dump. Got a bunch of trash here. I might be able to get a little more in the car than that, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna try because I got more trash to get rid of, but you know, gonna do a full load, and then after we do the run to the dump, we're gonna go to Jiffy Lube and get an oil change. Oh yeah. It's all in there, guys. And the trunk is jammed full. Hell yeah. Bam. Jim. Alright, we're out of here. I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? What's going on? Just got done at Jiffy Lube. Holy cow. So they're really fast, by the way, and they do everything. Like, they checked all my fluids, tire pressure, they vacuumed my car, they washed windows. I mean, the windows kind of won't look perfect, but I mean, they look cleaner. So but yeah, it's a good deal. I mean, I went in for like the $44 service, which is cheap, and it came out to like, I think 50 something with tax or whatever, and I had a $10 coupon, so it knocked it down to like 43 something is what I had to pay. Pretty good deal, man. I ain't gotta change my oil for a while. Car seems to be running even smoother, like a lot smoother for some reason. It's crazy what oil will do, huh? And yeah, it's got like more horsepower, it seems like, and everything. So badass. Except for they found there's a mouse nest. Like, mice are building a nest in my like air cabin where the air filter is, or whatever the cabin filter is.
Those ain't normal rats. What he means is that they're obviously a special breed.
Well, what kind of breed are they?
Big mother lovers. Taking care of these rats is not going to be a problem, but we are going to need to make sure they're not breeding in other sections of the house.
It's like located right behind the glove box. So I guess there's like a mice problem behind the glove box. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do about that, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, funny story, guys. You guys are gonna crack up. I was sitting in the waiting room, and I kind of overheard this guy was gonna like pay like $80 something for his service, and I swear they said like conventional oil. I don't know, but I had said, what? I hope it's not that much, because I was quoted on the phone was $44. They better not charge me that much. And then the guy comes back in, and the guy I was talking to was getting charged 80 something. I'm going to go talk to the guy and ask him why he's being charged so much. So I stirred up some crap. Sorry about that. But anyway, I guess like he had like a 4x4, and they had like kind of like semi-synthetic oil. There was like different things about his vehicle that made his like way more expensive. But it was kind of funny. I stirred up some crap. I felt so bad. I was like, I walked up there. I was like, sorry if I started some stuff with that guy. My bad. That was hilarious. But anyway, I'm stoked. Got that done. Got the garbage taken care of. Got a cleaner car, and it's got oil in it. Fresh, clean oil, I mean. And yeah. So I'm gonna go home, make some lunch, chillax, kind of I don't know. Not really sure if I'm going to do anything else, but we'll see. I'm definitely going to live stream about 6 p.m., so yeah. Hell yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace. Alright guys, let's see how fast I can go up my driveway. Here we go. Oh, damn, I hit 50. Hell yeah. Well, that's a new record. 50 miles an hour. And I've got the car on echo mode, which means it goes slower, because like it's not in sport, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, so the car's running better. Alright. What's going on, guys? My dog's gotta be in the vlog apparently. Anyway, we're gonna do some sit-ups. I'm probably gonna like pretty much kill myself here and try to do 20 of them. See if I can do it. Look out, mister. You can't be licking me in the face, okay? Oh, gotta get the back right first. Oh. Okay, my camera on my makeshift tripod decided to just fall down and stop recording me, so we had to fix it up with a little bit of tape. Good to go. Let's try this again. Look out. Stop farting, dog. I know it's you. It ain't me. Alright. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Damn, that was hard. Woo! There we have it. 20 reps. Sit-ups. We did it. Alright. Hey, now I feel semi-accomplished for the day. This is my good doggy. This is my good doggy. So anyway, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog off. We're about to go live stream some PUBG. So maybe I'll see you guys in the live stream. Alright, y'all. Peace out.